Hey, it's great to see you. Are you thinking about starting motorcycling but aren't sure about the cost? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the expenses and costs of starting motorcycling. And as always, let's ride. In this video, I will break down the actual cost of motorcycling for beginners and give you all the essential details you need before hopping on that bike. From purchasing the bike itself to gear and maintenance, I'll cover all so you can have a clear understanding and what to expect financially when you're entering the world of motorcycling. Also, watch until the end of this video and I'll share some secrets to keeping costs down for beginners. Think you can just hop on a bike and zoom off? Well, buckle up that helmet because I'm about to hit you with some biker truth. Motorcycle training is the real deal. Consider them the school for aspiring road warriors, not just for novices, but also for those needing to sharpen their skills. The classroom session will immerse you in the intricate world of motor knowledge, tossing around words like counter steering and counterbalance until your head fills up with all the necessary knowledge to start your journey. This is a friendly reminder. Shelling out a couple of $100 for this training is well worth it. Remember, knowledge is the key to revving up your motorcycle game. So off you go, and may the power of the road be with you. The Motorcycle Safety Foundation basic rider course tuition costs ranging from $100 to over $300, depending on the location and the student's age. The actual costs are set by your state or local training sites. So you've mastered the art of not looking like a clown on a bike, but hold on tight. The cops are not exactly thrilled about riders being on the road without the proper paperwork. And by that, I mean having a little piece of paper saying, "I'm not totally crazy." Go on and dig a little deeper into those pockets, my friend. While it may feel like a chip off the wallet today, this piece of paper is not just about legal safety and peace of mind. It's about staying on the road for as long as you can without having to leave your motorcycle on the side of the road while you Uber your ass to your final destination. The cost of obtaining a motorcycle license or endorsement is generally low. The fees vary from state to state, but are usually less than $50. Are you dreaming of that two-wheel freedom machine? Prepare to dip into your savings or get creative with your second-rate baseball card collection if you're serious about getting a bike. Whether you fancy sports bikes, cruisers, or touring bikes, be ready to spend. According to the Motorcycle Industry Council, the average bike in America costs around $13,000. And that's just the beginning. Top-tier motorcycles will have your piggy bank crying in the corner of the garage. But look beyond the price tag. This isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in a lifestyle. So break open that piggy bank, trade your baseball cards like you're in the stock market, and roll off that dealership lot like you own the road. Because you do. Freedom isn't free, but it's worth every penny and every spare card you have. In a very general sense, used motorcycles range from $4,000 to $10,000. Let's talk about insurance, crucial for safeguarding you and your bike. Factors like biker's age, your experience, and the location where you live impact insurance rates. For beginners, it's very important to research your insurance very early on in this journey, gathering quotes from different providers to compare the rates. Seek policies within your budget that cover bodily injury and property damage. Comprehensive coverage, especially for used bikes, protects against theft and non-collision incidents. Though it may increase expenses, it offers vital protection against unexpected events. Deductibles. This is the amount that you have to pay before the insurance kicks in, and your deductible will affect the monthly premium. Balancing deductibles with financial comfort is key. Motorcyclists generally pay between $60 to $75 per month for insurance, though this can range from as low as $25 to over $200 per month, depending on coverage types. Alright, road warriors, let's dive into the essentials of gear. Helmets, gloves, jacket, pants, and boots are your essential gear for the road. Starting with helmets, they're vital for safety, preventing death in 37% of accidents and reducing brain injuries by 67%. Gloves are crucial for weather protection and safeguarding your hands against potential injuries. Jackets and pants provide a protective layer while maintaining a stylish appearance, significantly reducing injury risk. Investing in sturdy boots ensures your feet stay safe, even in unexpected situations. Remember, quality gear is a worthwhile investment to avoid serious injuries and costly encounters with the pavement. The essential items like helmets, gloves, jackets, pants, and boots can cost the basic rider between $250 and $800. Gasoline, the lifeblood of your machine. It's all about maximizing those miles per gallon. While the average motorcycle in the US guzzles between 35 and 40 miles per gallon, cruising at high speeds can drain that tank faster than expected. Imagine cruising down the highway feeling unstoppable until you see that gas gauge plummet. Suddenly, every gas station becomes a strategic calculation, balancing distance, wind resistance, and fuel cost. Stay topped off to avoid that Flintstone-like push down the road. And remember, in our biking world, fuel efficiency is key to keeping the adventure alive. Ride smart, my fellow petrol heads. The gas market fluctuates daily, so it's really difficult to give you a price. I know that between the East Coast and the West Coast, there's dramatic differences in gas prices. Your ride demands attention like mommy's holiday panis. If you know, you know. From oil changes and tire replacements, neglecting maintenance leads to a struggling bike. Starting with engine oil, regular changes are vital for smooth operation. Skipping this step can lead to unpleasant engine sounds. Tire replacements are like brand new kicks for your bike, ensuring smooth rides and avoiding roadside hassles. Lastly, give your motorcycle some TLC with regular cleaning and washing. Proper care not only improves performance, but also reflects your expertise. Owning a bike is a long-term commitment. Treat it well and it will repay you. Skip maintenance and you'll regret it on lonely roads. A good rule is to expect to pay between $800 to $1,500 a year to maintain your ride, depending on your driving, the motorcycle you own, the environment you keep it on, and so on. Hey speed enthusiasts and motorcycle aficionados, let's dive deep into the irresistible allure of upgrades. Your bike won't remain stock forever. The urge to customize will strike, luring you with visions of new exhaust, LED lights, and carbon fiber whatchamacallit. It's like an addiction, draining your bank for that desired revamp. Initially, you might think, I just swap out the exhaust for a better sound. But soon enough, you'll find yourself deep into online stores, accumulating accessories like a kid in a candy store. According to SEMA, Americans spent over $45 billion on aftermarket parts for their motorcycle, showcasing the widespread appeal of customization. However, upgrading your bike is a slippery slope. One enhancement leads to another. A new seat necessitates matching grips, foot pegs, and a custom paint job. It's a journey with no end in sight. The average cost of motorcycle upgrades is way too much to legally publish. I'm just kidding. Not really. Thank you for staying with me thus far. Here are the secret tips that veteran bikers have figured out to save big time. Number 1, do-it-yourself maintenance. For beginners diving into the motorcycle world, consider getting your hands dirty with basic maintenance tasks. Learn to change your oil, replace air filters, and handle minor repairs. Not only does it deepen your connection with your ride, but it also helps you from shelling out expensive mechanic fees. Embrace the garage ninja within you and watch those dollars stay in your pocket. Number 2, pre-owned rides. Opting for a used bike can be a hidden gem for your wallet. New motorcycles often take a depreciation within the first few years, making pre-owned motorcycles budget-friendly. The secret is, let the previous owner pay for all those expensive upgrades. Ensure you do your homework, check the bike's history, and bring a seasoned rider friend to give it a once-over. You'll cruise into the sunset without burning a hole in your pocket. Number 3, gear swap shenanigans. Gear doesn't have to be a bank-busting affair. Tap into the motorcycle community, online forums or marketplaces, or even friends who've outgrown their gear. You may snag a well-maintained jacket, gloves, or even boots at a great price. Make sure to check that used gear thoroughly to make sure it still functions as designed. Remember, safety first, but it doesn't mean you can't be thrifty about it. Word of caution, never ever buy a used helmet. Number 4, riding school rewards. Invest in your skills before you invest on a bike. Enrolling in a motorcycle safety course will make you a safer rider and can score some discount points with your insurance. Many insurance companies recognize certified motorcycle safety courses, leading to potential long-term savings. So, before you hit the road, hit the books or the training course. Number 5, group buying for gains. Bulk buying isn't just for wholesale groceries. Consider joining forces with your friends or group riders when making bulk purchases of gear, accessories, and so on. Many suppliers offer discount for bulk purchases, so banding together can lead to substantial savings, whether it's helmets, gloves, or even cleaning supplies. After all, who said safety and style can't come with a group discount? And there you have it, the real cost of starting motorcycling. If you got value from this video, smash that like button. Also, share with your friends and family and your motorcycle community. Don't forget to watch this video, and I'll see you there.